Welcome back to another interview with Web3 TV. We're here live at the Future Blockchain Summit. I'm Adel, the host, and I'm here with a special guest, Nitin from Panorama. Nitin, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Yeah,
How
thanks.
you doing?
Yeah, thanks.
From morning.
Very busy.
Yeah.
Very overwhelming with all the people here, but it's great to understand more about what the early stage booths and companies are doing in the Web3 space. So please explain who you are and what is it you're doing in the Web3 space.
Okay. So basically, I represent Panorama Finance. I'm the founder of Panorama Finance. So we are the world's first DeFi application, which is AMM Swap, which is AML compliant on the chain. So we have been able to achieve AML compliance, anti-money laundering compliance, the first one on the blockchain real time when a user is transacting with us. So if you see, compare with any other swap exchanges right now, they don't have compliances involved into it. Being a anonymous industry where it's decentralized, they cannot maintain the compliance, been difficult. But we have partnered with chain analysis so that we can connect to 300 plus law enforcement authorities and real time check whether a user involved on a platform is legitimate or not legitimate.
So you basically help identify and also prevent fraud from happening in the Web3 DeFi space. Is that correct?
Exactly, on our platform, on the swap exchange.
So how is it that you make money then? How do you monetize this?
So basically, we have a protocol fee. So when a user trades with us, we charge them 0.6% as a transaction fee. From that 0.6%, 0.3% is kept with the protocol, and the rest is redistributed to the liquidity providers because it's a swap exchange.
Understood. Okay,
Yeah.
great. So in terms of, have you had any clients in the past where you identified any instances in the past where you identified fraud and you prevented it from happening, or is it still in beta and still in launch mode?
Yes, we did it. So basically, one of our clients who has been involved with us, he actually lost $300,000.
$300,000?
Yeah, we helped them to recover it. And there's another client who is also with us who trades with our platform. He has lost around $4 million. So we're helping them to recover this money.
Wow.
Through chain analysis, instant response program.
That's a lot of money that you help prevent happening.
Exactly. So when a user comes to our platform, if you have lost that money, say for example, a hacker has taken that money and he tries to swap with our platform, we get to know. And we just go and inform chain analysis and they say, okay, this money was owned by this guy who has lost it, and you helped us to understand this hacker is trying to move the funds. So we help those guys, So this client of mine, I can't disclose the name of course, but we have helped them already because those $4 million came to be sold on our platform.
Right.
So we track the whole thing through the Reactor platform of chain analysis and inform them.
Fantastic.
Yes.
That's really great. I think you're doing a really great benefit to the Web3 community because we're seeing many scams on different levels, rug pulls, people, scamming them in all sorts of different ways using identity fraud, transaction fraud. So I think you're doing a great service to the Web3 community. What do you think?
So of course, so like you mentioned about rug pull, we have another feature. Say for example, if you're a project, if you really have that integrity to run your project, you can lock the liquidity pool. So if you're committing as a project owner, I'm going to be putting $5 million in liquidity pool, lock it through a feature which is free of cost. So if you're really committed, lock it for a user time defined. Say for example, Panorama is a project. So Panorama right now has 16,000 lock liquidity pool from its investors.
Wow.
Currently on the blockchain, you can see it on Polygon.
Fantastic. So this is more of a B2B service than a B2C, or is it both?
It's both B2B and B2C. Anybody who is interested in crypto to trade on a non-custodian platform can actually just register and log in and trade with us.
Okay, and they don't need to make an account because there's no KYC.
Nothing at all. Just connect your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet and you can just start trading with it.
Fantastic. Thank you, Nitin, for your knowledge. Thank you so much for what you're doing in this space in the Web3 community. I can't wait to try it out and see how it can benefit me myself.
100%. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.
This is Web3 TV. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.